Number 74 on our house inspection checklist is about bathroom ventilation. Now, I already went over some of this in number 70, but I want to reiterate a couple of things in number 74. And that is, if you have a window but you never open it up, you're not really going to be providing any fresh air into the bathroom. Now, if you like taking showers, nice hot showers in your bathroom for 20 or 30 minutes at a time, and I know plenty of people that do that. They love to take a nice long shower. When the door is closed and all of this steam is going out of the bathroom, and if the bathroom isn't very big, it's going to be even worse. So you're creating some kind of a sauna atmosphere. Get out of the bathtub, when you're out of the shower or the bathtub, look around and see how much moisture is on the ceiling, see how much is on the walls, the mirrors, everywhere. This moisture, if it's not cleaned up, or if it's not, if it doesn't evaporate soon enough, could create mold and mildew. And I've even seen it create fungus. Fungus will actually grow, I mean, you're going to find this hard to believe, but I've actually seen mushrooms growing in people's framing. They got a nice supply of water in there. Every once in a while, a mushroom pops up. I mean, when it comes to all the stuff I've seen, I can't even, these videos are just to extend the checklist. If you just want to look at the checklist, great. But if you want some more pointers, then watch these videos. And again, I can't get all the information into a few minutes here. Otherwise, these would be 4-hour videos, and I can't have that. You guys would be bored stiff. The questions that I'm asking and the information that I'm providing you with is information that I've somehow accumulated from doing work on other people's homes. That's why I'm telling you this stuff. Ventilation in a bathroom is important. If you have a problem with mold and mildew, you should consider putting a ventilation fan in, which is an electric fan that has a light switch, operates off of a light switch. And again, you'd have to get an electrician to put it in unless you're comfortable with electricity. But, you've got to solve the problem somehow. Either if you're going to take the long showers and you've got water everywhere and you've got mold, then you're going to have to clean these bathrooms regularly. Get the moisture out of there. Paint the walls with some type of a semi-gloss or high-gloss paint to where the moisture is not seeping into the walls. Make sure that all of your cracks, any gaps, everything is filled. If you have water on the wall and it's leaking down onto the floor, behind your wood trim, it's just not going into fantasy land. This stuff's going into your wood framing. It's going into the drywall, the flooring. So don't just assume that when you see moisture on the ceiling and then it's gone in an hour that everything's hunky-dory. So ventilation is important, even on your foundations and in your attic. So if you have a problem with moisture, you might need more ventilation. And sometimes this could be as simple as just opening up a window while or after you're done using the shower or bathtub. If you own a house, you should inspect it regularly. But how can you inspect a home if you don't know what to look for? If you're not looking for a complicated checklist or something that wasn't written in a language that you can't understand anyway, do yourself a favor and visit this website today. The most valuable investment you have must be protected and inspected.